Hey guys, good morning. First day in Goa, pretty much chilling in the bed. Started editing, finished the edit. Now the toughest process with my 6-year-old laptop. He went to the gym, worked out, uploaded a video, and that's the view we have the whole day. Best place to work, man. Evening we'll go to the beach and now heading for lunch. By the time I come, hopefully some part of the export will be done so that you can watch the video today. No plans today. We have extended the stay in Goa by another day. So tomorrow we'll go to South Goa and explore a few places there. But today there's supposed to be rain. Anyway, in daytime in Goa, it's too hot to go out. So usually around 4 o'clock is the time when you step out. So that's the plan for today. We are just here to chill. That's what we're gonna do. Catch you in a while. You hear that engine noise? Big engine noise. It's stuck at 21% in the day one video. This is a 6-year-old laptop, and when you wanna do 4K footage on a 6-year-old laptop, yeah, not the best experience, but all for you guys. Anyway, just heading out to a shack to see if it's open. Hopefully it's open so we can chill instead of sitting here at the hotel, and it's a plan. So catch you guys at the shack if it's open. Goa on a bike, in shorts, in sandals. Mandatory and common. But nice. All these places are empty, man. So deserted. Today is Sunday, no? Still full empty. Hey, my bike is getting hot and I'm in shorts. Hey, this is a twin cylinder BMW. It does get hot. Street wind used to get too hot. I still have a burn mark on my left leg because of street wind. Itlane I used to go to KBR to jog in shorts like weekly, twice or thrice. Eventually that mark became Kala mark. KFC. You're a fancy KFC, right? I didn't see. Oh, this is nice. Almost reach Curly's. Typically there used to be line all along here, people till the end of the road here. This is at the peak. Now kuch bhi nahi. पूरा कालिया है, खाली 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 खाली. This is a different route to Curly's than what we do usually. Mundu lopala vettachle actually undi. Oh, directly to the beach. Highlight ra. Khatarnak parking re. Look at these foreigners trying some stunts. Silly stunts. Agar park chesukochu kada. Ikkada parked easily there. Khatarnak hai. Oh, GoPro on unda sarya. That's it. Chilled for some time at Curly's. Had good fun. Hope you enjoyed the time lapse. And now heading back to the hotel. Have to check if my edit was exported well, otherwise the vlogs are going to be delayed. Man, need a new laptop or an iPad, or compromise on the quality. Vlogging difficulties. Hashtag vloggers life. Anyway, we'll catch you guys at the hotel. So finally हमारा day 1 upload हो गया. You'll see the vlog sometime soon. Don't wanna reveal everything here. But the size is 15 GB, guys. Here the download speeds are amazing, but the upload speeds are like 2-3 Mbps. It'll take at least 6 hours, 5-6 hours to upload that. Anyway, we are about to head to lunch. We'll catch you guys in a short while. Ready?
Yo. Ready and happens if you are.
Okay, we are hungry. Let's go.
ప్రతిసారి పట్టుకొచ్చుకోవట్లేదు మాస్క్ ప్రతిసారి మాస్క్ పట్టుకొచ్చుకోవట్లేదు.
You have to walk almost a kilometer to get here. I remember a scene from a Telugu movie. There's something very interesting.
Sample.
Sample food, because usually they used to give more cheese, potatoes and some spices. The main topic is not that. You're trying to do something?
No.
Please on camera.
So basically there is something called table manners. So you should eat without touching the table. As in, you shouldn't rest your hands like this. Show the hands, bro. You shouldn't rest like this. Anytime you eat in a hotel or even at home, you should eat, sit straight and eat like that. Manaki in the class, Pooja taught me all this.
Basically, the way we eat is
Table is vadukoni.
Nothing. We enjoy food. And the food. We eat food like this.
And then you feel.
Yes. Finally upload हो गया. Cartoon ना? Finally, hope you saw that video and let me know what you think. Done with almost the second day video too, but should be up in the next 1 day or 2 days. We'll see. Not in a hurry. Shriman's video is up. Go check that out. Today is the last day here in this hotel. You miss this hotel?
But we already paid 50% less. But if it was lesser than that, then maybe another day extension.
It's okay. We stayed 3 days. Original plan was 2 days. So in that sense,
Already 1 day.
we thought of checking out other places, but the budget is tripling, not even doubling. Anyway, just heading to breakfast. So tomorrow we'll probably leave early directly to Hyderabad. So end of the first road trip in a long time. Maybe the next trip will be in October. We'll see. अरे सायंकाल तొందరగా తొరగాలి మన ఓన్ స్టార్ట్ Currently day 2 edit is going on. I don't know if it'll be day 2 or 2-3 combined together, but most of the work is done. Should be up maybe in a day or 2. Usually I'm thinking Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Good time. So today is Monday, by the way, and we'll be checking out of the hotel tomorrow. Today is the last day, and this is the place I'm sleeping. And whenever I get up, that's the view of the ocean that I get. Love it, man. Gonna miss this place quite a bit, and we are never gonna get this at this price. Damn. Anyway, today's plan is we're gonna go to South Goa, explore few beaches, and also some unique spots. Let's hope we can find it. We'll be hunting them. We have the usual ready to eat on the road meals, right? So we're gonna use that. And we paid for lunch, breakfast and dinner here, but that's okay. Spots are more important. Let's hope it's as good as we're hyping. Okay, see you on the road. This destination that we're heading, it's called Butterfly Beach. It's like 75 kilometers from here. Shows 2 hours 15 minutes. Decently long drive, but whenever you're in Goa, North Goa to South Goa, usually it takes that much of time. Not 75, but usually 35 to 40 kilometers is the distance. We are going farther south. The typical Goa, hot and humid in the morning, cloudy and rainy in the evening. That's August for you. Hey, sweet. We have to take that bridge probably. Last time I think when we came, this bridge was done, right? We went from the top while going to the airport or something, or coming from airport. This is nice, beautiful. Construction, like in Mumbai, in Goa, always keeps happening. I've been seeing this since 2015 when I first came to Goa. That was my first ever visit, but this is the first time I'm on my bike in Goa. Feels good to have finally my bike here, but oh man, once this is done, it will be at a whole different level. But this has been happening for a long time. But just look at the height of that. This could be longer than our Durgam Cheru when it happens. If you are going to Mangalore, this is the route, by the way. South to Coorg, this is probably an alternate route. अरे आगे देख amazing है. Just look at those mountains with the cloud cover. Oh, after that highway, we took the short route towards the Butterfly Beach. Let's see how close can we go to the beach. Leopard, I see some leopard marking Leopard Valley anta. Ikkada left ra. Oh, off-road. GS Trails. ఇదేముందిలే. We're going through some trails, serious trails. We get access to the beach.
shortcut good.
Oh,
atla poవాలి actually.
चलो. How were those shots, guys? Adventurous trek, but completely totally worth it. As and when we were coming closer to this location, the trek was getting narrower and narrower and narrower. We were wondering if the place is there, but we could hear the waves, and oh man, felt good. Done with the trail. Oh man, one of the most tiring trails I've done, but fun. Oh, it's sliding left, right and center. Nice. पूरा Enduro Pro mode चल रहा है, सब off है. Hey, cute boy, I saw it. Rare slide हुआ. Oh man, that was a good outing today. Anyway, we'll reach the hotel and catch you guys later. Off-road. That would be fun in the future. Once I feel confident with my knee and once I can run, then I will try those stunts. Abhi kare to permanently riding band karna hai. I don't want to do that. I don't want to take that chance for a simple off-road stretch. We are taking the suspension bridge. Oh nice, there is a flag. Indian flag. You see that suspension bridge? Sweet. Can you hear that rain? We hear the ocean waves and the rain. Every day after like 8 or 9 p.m. it starts raining, and that goes on for like almost 4-5 hours. Morning it's humid again. Holiday enjoy chekunda editing.
Full enjoying, bro.
Working, huh?
Yes, this is my enjoyment.
Yeah, both of us are on our laptop, finishing our edits, trying to upload, hunt for better signals and speeds, the usual routine. We have extended our stay by one day more because we thought it's finishing up too early. Instead of going to some other place which would cost roughly 2 days of this much and extend the trip by some other place, we thought we'll stay here and enjoy, maybe explore 1 or 2 more places. Instead of leaving tomorrow, we're gonna leave on the next day, which is Wednesday. So that's the plan. So tomorrow maybe for 2-3 hours we might explore something locally. Like today we did the Butterfly Beach. Hope you enjoyed that footage. And once we came back from the Butterfly Beach, we reached around 5 o'clock, had some tea. After that we had dinner, back in the room, finished my edit, gonna upload tonight. So we'll catch you guys tomorrow, okay?